In this video, we're going to show you how to install the sway bar end link on your Ford Taurus located on the rear passenger side suspension. Using our 19mm socket, we're going to get loosened and remove our lug nuts. With the lug nuts removed, you can go ahead and grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. On the top here, we want to get loosen and remove this nut. We're going to use our 15mm deep socket here. We did spray it down with some rust penetrant to hopefully soak that in, loosen that up. Now the inside portion here is spinning. You're allowed to use your 17mm wrench on this here to hold it. I'll remove that. Over to the bottom here. Let's go ahead and do the same here. Go ahead and pull that off. Go ahead and line this up. Get the nut started. The nuts on the new sway bar end link are 17mm. Let's go ahead and snug these down. Now we're going to torque these down to 41 foot-pounds. Then you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side. Grab your wheel, line it up onto the studs. Get those lug nuts started. And once we have them all started, we'll go ahead and snug them down. When tightening these down, it's best if you tighten them down in a crisscross pattern or a star pattern. Now you can go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Now preferably, you want to go ahead and do these in a crisscross pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.